everyone, welcome back to Lone Cowboy Adventures. My name is Ken. If you're a first-time viewer, I appreciate it if you would subscribe. If you're not subscribed, and hit the thumbs up, please. A couple weeks ago, I ordered a taillight from Eagle Lights, and I mistakenly ordered the wrong one. So I called customer service, and they immediately shipped me out another one, and I've had this for about a week. Life is busy. So we are going to be unboxing and doing an install. They said they would send me a return label to ship the old one back. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed, and we'll get it on the bike. And you'll see why I ordered this particular taillight. They are very, very reasonably priced. And let's see if the return label is in here. Yep, right there it is. Excellent, excellent customer service. It wasn't their fault that I received the wrong taillight. It was my fault. So we will get that labeled and get it shipped back. It comes with a little deal here. It says if you need help or something isn't right, please contact them directly with an 800 number, or you can email them at support@eaglelights.com. So, and the difference, let's see if there's a part number difference on these. This is a 8900 TL5R, and this is a 8900 TL5R-BW. So we will get it opened up here, and we'll see if it's the right one. And it does come with a gasket for the back of the taillight against the fender to keep the moisture out. Very, very well packaged again. Take that off. And this one is the correct one. And it is plug and play. So let's get the old one off the bike and we'll get this one installed. My taillight on this bike is just a standard stock taillight, and I'll turn the bike on so y'all can see it. And here's the brakes. Now, for those of you that do not know, I do have underglow lights, and I will turn them on right here. And I usually just keep them solid white, and I'll show you that. And this is the reason, part of the reason why I ordered this particular taillight, which you'll see here coming up in a little bit. But the underglow lights do turn red when I hit the brakes, as you can see. So let's go ahead and get this new light installed. And all you need is a Phillips screwdriver. Which I have right here. And there it is. It is that simple to unplug it and pull it off. And as you can see, it has the rubber gasket to seal out any moisture. and dirt. My guess is I need to install this rubber gasket like so. And I guess it might, yeah, it's just, I think you got to peel these off. Yep, right there. Feed that like that. And press it on. There, like so. Now, the difference is, if you missed it before, is this tail light here is for the license plate that is on the bottom. Like, for instance, maybe like a Street Glide, maybe? I don't know. It was my mistake that I ordered this one. This here, the window is at the bottom. This window is at the top. So it was shining white towards the top. And I think I just misspoke. So, yeah. This, no, I didn't misspoke. That is at the bottom. This one is at the top. There. It's still early in the morning. I've had about 6 cups of coffee, so let's get this on the bike and I'll show you what it does. And again, it is plug and play. And I think that's, let's see here. Right there. Let's make sure we're good here. There it is. There we go. And the seal is still on there and in position. So what's going on here? There it is. That's what I should have done. I should have pulled the trigger just a little bit to turn on my light. What do you think? There we go. And we're not quite lined up. On that side, what is going on? What have I done wrong? There it is. Just off, just a hair. There we go. I don't want to over tighten it. There. And there. All right, well, we're going to turn some lights off, and now you will see why I ordered this particular brake light, tail light for my 2020 Road Glide Limited. And I'm going to turn this light off over here so you get the full effect. Now we'll even turn on the underglow lights. There it is. That is all LED. Now, let me explain something to you. This tail light here, brake light, I ordered it because it strobes 3 times and then it stays solid red. The replacement that they sent me does not do that. So, am I satisfied with this light? Yes, but I wanted to have that strobe when you hit the brakes. So, I'm going to be calling them. I'm going to actually jump on the website again and take a look at the website, which we will do right here. All right, everybody, we're going to take a look at the website and see what my search results comes up with. I didn't bring the lights in here, the boxes for the actual numbers. The gentleman I talked to at Eagle Lights, I told him what I ordered, which he could look it up on the computer, and I ordered the brake light, tail light that actually strobes 3 times and stays solid black. And he said, yeah, we have another option with that. So I'm going to jump on the website here with you real quick, and we're going to take a look. So, as you can see here, you can select your vehicle. Looks like they have a Black Friday sale starts. 15% off. And you can save an additional 50% off select products. So, alright, now, 2020 Harley Davidson. Let's see here. Road Glide Limited, right here. And we'll just do that. And we'll take a look here. Rear turn signals, no. Tail lights. Here we go. All right. Now, flashing strobe, layback, LED, tail light, brake light. Here it is, right here. Evidently, he must have shipped. And it says flashing strobe, so it doesn't flash. And I have to write down the catalog number that it is on there. Which is 8900 TL5R. And I'm not sure if that was the one that was on the box or not. Stay tuned. I'm going to go back out and get the box and we'll take a look. All right, everybody, I went out and double checked the box, and yes, it is the right part number that they have, and I'm going to show you what that light is actually supposed to do. They have a little video on here, and it flashes 3 times and then stays on solid. So yeah, that's why I ordered this particular taillight. So I'm going to be calling them again. I'm considering I'm just going to go ahead and ship both the lights back, and then I'll call them and tell them that that particular light did not strobe. So we'll see what they say. But my review so far with their customer service and the quality of the lights is very, very good. So I'll be taking that light off, repackaging it, throw it in the box with the other light, and I'll be shipping it back to them. And like I said, I'll be calling them on Monday, which is very simple to do. So yeah. So anyway, I hope y'all have a good day, and I actually have their phone number saved in my phone, and we'll see what they say when I tell them that I'm shipping both the lights back, and hopefully they can test the one I ship back and ship me the correct one that actually does what it's supposed to do. Very reasonably priced, I must say. So yeah. Anyway, that's my adventure today, dealing with
you know, I'm not blaming anybody. It happens, you know. So I will do another final review when they get me the correct working light. So y'all have a good day. Say hi to a stranger, and we will see you on the next one. Say bye.